2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, steel wheels, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.